Friends, I'm Crystal and I welcome you all to my channel, That's Knowledge Hub. Friends, before starting my video, I would like to let you all know that please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, in this video, I'm going to tell you that how to make your account on UC News. And the very most common problem faced by the people is that what's the PAN card number? If you are a student or if your parents are having PAN card, then also if you are not interested to give your PAN card number, so today I'm going to tell you a code to put that code in that PAN card number bar, and after putting that particular number in the PAN card number bar, you can be approved for the next step in making your account. So friends, let's get started. First of all, you had to go to and you had to search here mp.ucweb.com. Here it is, mp.ucweb.com. You had to search it. And now here a screen will be opened like this, as you're seeing on your screen. Here you have to just click here over that sign up. After clicking on sign up, here you have to put email address, password, captcha, email code and invitation code. Then after that there will be next step. So first of all, I am filling this information and so on. We will just make it over. And you have to put the particular captcha which is given in the blue. And here the code will be sent and whatsoever. Now I had opened the form, and that here we had to fill the information, and here there will be a blank box, and here we had to click over the arrow and we had to select one field. So I am just here selecting the science field and account operator's name, whichever that email ID's name, that same name you had to put here. Now here the question rises that what's the PAN card number, what we should put here if we don't have any PAN card or our parents have, but we are not interested to put here the real one. So I'm going to tell you that what you have to put here. You have to just put here UC web 3025 and capital L. UC web 30 and 25L. That's the PAN card number that you will put here, and then over you can just continue, and after 2 days that UC News will send you a verification code and you will be eligible for the next step. So thank you friends for watching my